Sharon, nag-request kay Enigma na gusto niyang makalaban si Looney at EJ Power sa flip top. Pagtapos nga ng laban ni Sharon kay Disaster, ay naglapag ito ng mga battle rapper na gusto niyang makalaban bago siya magretiro sa battle rap. At napabilang nga dito si Looney at EJ Power.
He wanted our third round to be unlimited. You have no bars, your shit's way too slow. Plus I have twins that are one. It really takes its toll. Even leaving them breaks my soul. I kiss them like daddy loves you. And remember your heart's made of gold. I cried as I said goodbye. Cause I knew by the time you finished your third round, they'd be 8 years old. Whoa.
Nakita rin naman ito ni EJ Power at talaga may post para dito. Sinabi niya nga dito na, "Daan ka muna kay Looney bago sa akin. Di pwedeng final boss agad." Kung sa flip top magaganap ay hindi maninibago dito si Sharon dahil nakalaban na siya ng 2 beses sa flip top laban kay Saito at Smaglas. Alam niya na rin for sure ang mga kiliti ng tao at crowd pagdating sa mga jokes at bars niyang dala. Sa huli niyang laban sa Ahon versus Smaglas ay napaka-solid na performance nga pinakita niya dito, mga on the spot na rebuttals at minsan ay sinisingit niya pa nga ito sa gitna. Gumagamit din siya ng mga Filipino lines and words na pandagdag sa kanyang wordplay, kaya solid talaga si Sharon.
Give this fella some praise, cause real talk bro, you the best. Like, I can tell he's enraged. You fell for that worse than you fell off the stage. You, Bobo. When I throw heat, this how a psycho speaks. Your nose is the only thing uglier than Zyto's teeth. He's saying that I sell the Bible at his door. Well, on God, I'm the winner. If I'm selling the Bible, then I'll crucify this sinner. It's funny he said I'm a Mormon, but no one's had sex with more men than your sister. Like, dog, I don't even know why I'm dropping these. You trying to act like you're gonna punch me? Toddler, please. People like Sharon, why are you doing this to a midget while you're dropping freeze? I'm just doing my impersonation of his mom, because she's always on her knees.
Pagdating naman kay EJ Power ay syempre magiging home court advantage nga ito kung sa flip top gaganapin. Isa na rin kasi si EJ Power sa crowd favorite ngayon ng mga tao dahil sa mga last performance na pinakita niya laban kay Shay at Pitrum. Brutal na performance at talagang nandudurog ng kalaban ang mga bara ni EJ Power. Pagdating naman sa English conference ay hindi magpapahuli si EJ dito dahil lumaban na rin ito at binadibag pa nga ang kalaban. Kahit si Looney ay napapareact sa galing ni EJ Power sa laban na ito.
Getting shit from this dumbass even if I win or lose, and bitch, because of you this might be my first battle that won't reach 1 million views.
That's some real shit right there.
In English ka ni pare ko eh. Yari ka.
Mr. GP, kalis move. How funny you're from Hawaii, because I will smoke the shit out of you. Right, getting shit from this dumbass even if I win or lose, and bitch, because of you this might be my first battle that won't reach 1 million views. Hawaiian, part Native American, part black, part Mexican. Wow. So you got a lot of different DNA parameters? No, it sounds like your mom's pussy got tossed around by the United Nations ambassador. My wisdom and knowledge came from my experience and morals, but if y'all wanna see me finish a book, then give me thesaurus.
Pag natuloy ang laban na ito, sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo? Sa tingin nyo rin ba ay may mamabadibag sa laban na ito? Comment down below lang mga boss at babasahin natin lahat ng opinion nyo para sa video na ito. Huwag nyo rin kakalimutan suportahan at mag-subscribe sa aming channel para maging updated kayo sa mga ilalabas at i-upload naming video.